Hi, I'm Gunnar Jeannette. We're here at Brian Redman's Target 66 event in beautiful Palm Beach, Florida. And today I have the absolute honor of driving Briggs Cunningham's 1964 Porsche 904. He actually won the 12 Hours of Sebring in this very car in 1964. He raced it through 64 into 1965 and also 1966. This was Briggs' last race at Sebring in 1966. After that, he retired, and it was in this very car. Miles Collier and the Revs Institute purchased this car from the Cunningham collection, and it's basically sat. They haven't restored it. It's as the car did its last lap at Sebring in 1966. They've gone through some of the mechanicals to make sure that everything's okay, and so today I get to be the first person to take this special race car on track since Briggs Cunningham, who is an absolute icon in sports car racing. You guys can come along, ride with me in the right seat as we go around Palm Beach International Raceway in this famous Porsche 904. I'm getting goosebumps just talking about it.